As you can tell, my face is all swollen. Yeah, I'm having some breakfast right now, and my husband, when he's out from work last night, he stopped to retrieve when I told him to stop there to get me pandesal. I do a little bit of exercise. It's tiring. Now I'm done with that. I'm gonna do sit-ups. I will try to just to lose my weight because my stomach, it's very tight and it's big and it's growing like I'm pregnant. La 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 la. I'm going to pick up my mother and Lolita, guys. So yeah, and I'm thinking what I'm going to have for lunch. Hold on. I don't feel like eating. I just keep eating. I just keep eating and eating. That's all I do is eating. I'm cooking outside, guys. I don't want to stink inside the house. Hi, guys. I'm just done with my lunch. You know, I'm having just very small portion of rice and then yeah, and then the one piece of dried fish, and I'm uploading something now. It's processing, so it's gonna be up soon, my video. Oh shit, yeah, holy freak, what's going on? I have 53 subscribers. Hold on, guys. I have 53. I'm getting so excited. I have 53 subscribers, and thank you for subscribing me. I have the latest subscribers. Thank you for subscribing me, J. Marie Brooks and Chris788cc. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you will enjoy. Even sometimes, most of the time, you know, it's boring, but thank you anyway for watching. Yeah, my husband's calling me right now. See, hi, Han. Hi, Han. Ay, ay, ay. See, hi, everyone. Han, can you just say properly, please?
Hi, everyone. Properly, please.
Holy moly. You are something, Han. They can't even talk to you properly.
It's tough. What can I tell you? Nice day for driving, though.
Yeah, it's good that, you know.
It's a little dark out here.
Why is it? It's bad? Is it?
Well, it was raining over there. It's not raining anymore. A little drop here and there. But the clouds are still not clean. So it's probably going to rain some more here.
Okay.
So far, traffic's okay coming back. It's still a little early to tell. But we'll see. If anything, it'll get worse when we get into work.
I hope there's no rain when the people working in the back.
They're not coming till Friday.
Why did you call them?
They called me. He wants to know if he can pick up a check tomorrow. That's fine. And their equipment is tied up somewhere else right now, so they won't come back until Friday. And Friday they're gonna come and do the drain pipe. Apparently they did not do the drain pipe. You need to make sure that they actually do that, because I'm not there again on Friday. Although I'll be there in the morning, so.
These people, you talk to them and they didn't even put the pipe there?
Yeah. So, well, he may be waiting, because the pipe's going to tie into the drywall too, so maybe he's waiting for the drywall first. I don't know, but.
Yeah, but they cover everything already.
I know, it seems a little stupid that you're going to have to now dig it up to put the pipe in there. Unless you think you're going to put a pipe on the top, and that ain't going to happen.
Yeah. There's something wrong with these people, hon. Going to dialysis. She just called. I just brushed the cat. This is the brush. I like this brush. It's a Pit Zoom. And look. Do like that. And then take all the hair out. Yeah. That's it. Pants it. Hi guys. Oh, sorry, my husband is snoring. He's home and he's snoring. He's so tired. I'm playing with my cat. Hi guys, I'm making some adobo right now. And of course my husband. Did you see the flower that I did?
Very cute.
Yeah,
Little stubby flowers.
yeah. Anyway, I'm watching this vlog, and I'm watching Judy's vlog, and then it's funny when she tried to say it in Tagalog, when she tried to speak it in Tagalog, and when she said to Juliana that, oh, don't try the this is what she said, don't try the balat. She makes me laugh because when she said don't try the balat, and then it sounds to me like, you know, in Visaya, balat. No, I'm not trying to eat the balat, mama. She's funny. Only Visaya can understand what I'm trying to say. If the Tagalog people know about the, you know, balat, and then when it's in accent, it's balat, it's more funny. Yeah, I'm being naughty right now. Who is that, Han?
Yeah.
What are you eating? Cheese. My husband is a cheese freak. Oh, Han.
What?
I tried the ensaymada that you bought with the thing with the huh? Yeah, yeah. But that's the different ensaymada, right? But I like it better.
I'm good.
The bread is different. It's more tasty.
Yeah, I'm good that way.
Yeah, right. You're good at
Anything
it.
not in a bag is better.
Why is that?
So the bag is like kind of shit they push in 7-Eleven.
What's 7-Eleven?
It's not fresh.
No, it's just like it's the same thing. They made it there in red ribbon, and it's in the bag. There's two different kind ensaymada, guys, but I like the one that my husband picked.
I picked the better one.
I know you did. He's so proud of himself. Guys, we're here in the doctor's office, and it's with my husband's appointment. Wanna say hi? Hi. It's the doctor's office, guys, and that's the view right there. Just waiting for the doctor. I'll show you something. This is, yeah.
Also, who got her gas tank open?
Uh-oh. Did you lock yours?
I did not.
We just get out from doctor's appointment, and the car that besides my husband's car is
She may have pressed the button by accident when she
the-
got in the car.
the gas tank is open, and you know, people now is taking gas from your car. Oh, going to get Petco. Oops, what's up?
I see him.
Oh, what's up? We're going to Pirico, Pirico.
I should go to Largemont. They're gonna see.
Largemont? You're going Largemont or the...
Oh, you know, the one on Post Road.
It's up to you. You're the one who's driving.
Stop sign.
Your stop sign.
I can fly him so fast I didn't know if he had stop sign.
We always go there though, guys. We still have a lot of fish. We're going in there. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes. Maria Mercedes ang pangalan ko. Laking tuwa ng magulang mo. That's not Maria Mercedes. Laking tuwa ng magulang mo is like something. I'm saying something else. Different. Oh, my husband drive cray. Cray driver. All over the place. My husband is all over the place. Mazda. Honda. They have a lot of car dealer in this area.
Yeah.
They have Lexus. We just passed Lexus.
Yeah.
All lights again. I hate lights. It's just blurry. Oh, it's just... Look at that. Changed his mind, guys. He want to go Taco Bell, but he changed his mind. I don't know why. Look at the gas over here. It's $3.73. It's expensive here, huh?
$3.23 in Jersey.
Three, how much in Jersey?
23.
$3.23. Post Marine. There's a Toyota over here. I like to go to Toyota. They're nice dealer. Hi guys. Yeah, we get home. We were home already from my husband's doctor appointment and from Pitco. We get some food for the animals. Yeah. So I'm gonna charge you and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Yes, I'm here. You hear me again. Oh my god, this cat is something. Hey, I'm back. I'm here in the same room. I just get my shoes and my phone because I charge it. And anyway, I just watching the talk, you know, a show every afternoon here, and oh my god, we're all surprised that Sarah Gilbert is pregnant. Yeah, she's pregnant. That song name's Roar. You're going to sing Roar.
Oh, this guy's a real dick.
Which one? This one? He's a dick. I'm sorry guys, our language is not good. I learned all that language from my husband. Did you hear he say it first? And then I just follow what he said.
I can't drive for shit.
Okay.
Stay on this slow guy. Everything's wrong. Fucking moron.
No patient at all to the drivers. Jeep, it says Jeep. Is that a brand?
Jeep is a brand, huh?
Okay, dude. Okay, I don't have any idea. I don't have any idea, honey. It says Jeep. It's not like Toyota or Honda or whatever.
Right.
It says my Jeep.
Like the Jeep that you liked or the Jeep Wrangler? It's a Jeep
No, it's a
Grand
Wrangler.
Cherokee Laredo.
Wrangler,
No, it's a Jeep.
Hummer,
It's a Jeep.
Hummer,
Hummer is a Hummer.
Hummer.
Jeep is a Jeep.
I have a problem of pronouncing that Hummer. Everything is problem to me, guys. Hummer. If I said Hummer, it's a Hummer. But if it's a car, Hummer. How you say that?
Hummer.
Hummer.
Like
Hummer.
Like a hummingbird.
Hummer. Hummer. No, I My tongue is English lesson. You know, I don't go to college, so at least you guys understand me. At least I know what I'm trying to say. My husband is tulala. He's driving, but he's tulala. Are you tulala, Han? Tulala.
I don't answer a question. I don't understand.
Can you say tulala?
No.
Han, it's not a bad word.
Every time you ask me to say something, it's a bad word. I'm not saying it.
Tulala. Today is my husband and my mother-in-law have doctor appointment. The same doctor, different time. So you're running around like crazy. Oh, Akira, you're acute syndrome. We have problem with drivers, guys. If you're a driver and if you're in front of us, you can hear us like whining and bitching.
Possibly a crunching noise from me hitting you for going too slow.
Yeah. Just don't be in front of us. Just go somewhere else. We live in New York. Don't
Get
come
off
in
of
New
my
York.
fucking road.
Oh, I like the Mini Cooper. Oh, they have a Mini Cooper black. Han, did you see that?
Convertible.
Mini Cooper, all black, and it's all. Oh, it's convertible. So they have a nice. They have a nice thing in there. They're selling clothes there. Did you see that? Yes. This is the expensive area, and this is the place where John River live. You know, he live in this area here, in this town, Larchmont, New York. If you know John Rivers, she just died. Is that last week or this week?
This week.
This week, right?
I guess last
No,
week.
last week. You guys, just if you see my previous vlog about, the title is long distance relationship, and there is going to be a part 2. I'm going to make a part 2 of that because there's still more story after my husband now picked me and saved me, and he is my hero. And after that, there's still more happening about me, my husband, my ex, and there's more. So that's it. Just watch out for my next video next week. I'm going to record it this week, maybe this weekend, or maybe when my husband is working. He has a nice skin, very nice skin. Me, I have an ugly skin. Look at my husband, oh. Nice skin. What? That's an old guy. I get a frame and dove and the lipstick here. We're in CVS. Oh, what? Okay.
Now to the front, please.
Blurry.
No, it's not. Because I keep moving, it looks blurry, but if you stop, it's focus. What are you waiting? What are you waiting, baby? Huh? You're always following mom, right? You always follow mama. What? What? Wow. Hi to everybody. Hi everyone. I'm Hubs. I'm the mama's boy. I'm the cutie boy. I'm the cutie boy. Hubs boy, Hubs. He's cute. He is loving, guys. He is very loving. He sleep with you. He kiss you. He everything. He's just that's why we love him so much. Oh, baby, no, mama. Baby ni mama na love ni mama no. That's what we do, guys. Now he's behind the camera. This is what we do. Every time I come up here, he just keep running and just want to spend time with me too. And yeah, it's boring. That's his tail. Your tail. What? Stop it! Stop it! He's trying to. Oh, he's trying. I'm sorry, guys. He's trying to catch his tail. Come to mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. He is clean, guys. He's a clean cat because I wipe him all the time. He can't sleep in bed without wiping. All the time. This is my wife's. This is the wife I got for my cats. This one, guys. Pitco. They don't like it. But they don't have a choice. But this one, it's get used to it. But every time I open it and he hears that I open it, it's bedtime, he run away. Or he doesn't go outside, run away. He just go under the bed. Oh my God, you're so cute. I don't know, guys. I'm going to miss him. If I'm going back to the Philippines, I'm going to miss him. I'm going to miss him. What? Hi guys, I'm outside again. It's nice today. It's not hot. I can't wait for the winter. And of course, if the winters come, I can't wait for the summer. Oh, my husband is coming. Hide his face. Hide his face. Hide his face. Hide his face. You wanna sit this chair? You wanna sit here? I can sit there. Huh? Because this chair is a rocking chair, like rock and roll, rock and roll. It's broken, yeah, but it's still going to be rock and roll, rock and roll. So this is the view behind me. There is a grill that is very old. How old is that grill, hon? 10 years? More than that? Really? It's really good. This one, guys, if we have this in the Philippines, this is good because he's planning to throw it out. It's still very good, but it's expensive to maintain the, what is that, hon? The one, the
Propane.
huh?
Propane. The gas.
Propane. And the one that you buy the parts.
Because the grill costs $1,000, you keep charging fucking crazy money for the parts.
Yeah, the parts is expensive. And it's always like having problem.
Don't want to throw it out.
That's the back. If you can see that house there, I showed you that before, guys, right? That house there. That house. It's like 4 stories. It's like straight. It's straight. It's not even go wide. It's just very small, thin house. And what time is it now?
30 almost.
Yeah, and this is the, it's 7:30 here, but look, it's still daylight. Here in New York, guys, there's a lot of trees. That's the good thing about it. Even it's a city, even it's the whatever, there's still a lot of, you know, trees. That's where I always do my swing, you know, the hammock.
Little man.
He's outside. While we're sitting here, guys, it's just like he's crying in the door inside the house. No, it's here, and I bring. They're not an outside cat. They're not an outsider cat, but his heart is, you know, beating so fast right now. He's not used to this outside. Don't run, okay? Don't run away, or else we're going to lose you and we don't have a baby boy. We're going to lose you, and we're not gonna have a baby boy after that. He's curious now what's going on here. You wanna do that? Look at this.
When he gets away from you, he gets run over by a car. You won't be too thrilled.
I'm holding his cover. Oh my God, you're outside already. You're outside already. Hi guys, good night. I will call it a night now, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. And thank you guys for watching. And you know who you are when you comment and you subscribe. Thank you. I love you guys. Makes me like, oh really? Am I a vlogger now? that's how I feel right now. I will try to do my best, and I will try to just keep doing it and make it better. I know I'm not good yet. I'm not good enough yet. Not like other vlogger, like it's Judy or April, like, you know, the good vlogger. You know, they're like a lot, like Sakoni Jolie and more and more. I'm not like that. They're very good of doing it. Me, I'm still embarrassed to do it in public. But anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you again. Good night, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Good night, guys.